Go to the open icon, click on it, select the drawing file and hit the open button. The drawing has been opened. Come to the command window, write Z and hit enter button. You will see that some functions related to zoom has come: all, center, dynamic, extends, previous, scale, window and object. Here the function of extend is that to take all the drawing entities into the window of the AutoCAD. Write here initial letter of the extents of the zoom, E, and hit enter. As soon as you enter the E in the command window, you see all the drawings or geometry in AutoCAD had come into this black window or model space. You come to the command window again, write Z and hit enter. Now we will work with the window of zoom. Write W for window of zoom, hit enter. Now you see that cursor has changed to a plus point. Now we will make a rectangle. Click here, and click here to zoom the 4 entities or 4 geometry of the drawing. Again come to the command window, write Z and hit enter. To bring all the geometry in a model space, click the extents. All geometry has come. Write Z again in the command window, hit enter. Now we will work with the object function of the zoom. Write here O for objects, hit enter. Here lines are objects, circle is also a object. If we click on this circle objects and hit enter, only circle is zoomed. Again come to the command window or go to the navigation bar, click the down arrow and click zoom extents. All the geometries come to the model. Again come to the navigation bar, click on the drop down arrow, click on the zoom window click here and click here to zoom only this two geometry. You see this two geometry has been zoomed. Again go to the navigation toolbar, click on the drop down arrow, click on zoom object, to zoom this geometry only select the lines and the dimensions, left click, when all the entities of these objects has been selected, then click again and hit enter button. As a result of this, the desired object has been zoomed. Now come to the command window, write Z, hit enter and click on the extents to zoom all the drawings. Now we'll learn the pan. To pan a drawing, come to the command window, write P and hit enter. You see that plus icon is turned into the hand. Now if we left click, the hand is changed into grabbing system. Now click and drag the drawing. You see the full drawing is moving up, down, left, right. Press ESC button to skip this command. Now go to the navigation bar, click on zoom window, make a rectangle. This two geometry is zoomed and come into the center. Let's go to the navigation toolbar, and here you see that hand icon, it is pan. Click on it, come to the model space and move the left side. You see, you can see or move the drawing from left to right, right to left, and up and down. Thank you very much.